Here's something worth knowing. Your body has a built-in waste management system that doesn't just get rid of cellular garbage. It recycles it into useful materials and energy. This system is called autophagy, and it works at the microscopic level inside every cell. Think of it as a salvage operation that breaks down damaged parts and turns them into fuel and building blocks for new cells. Understanding how this system works could help you stay healthier and live longer. Hey there, it's me, Core, and you're listening to Exercising Self-Control from Fitness to Flourishing. The word autophagy comes from ancient Greek and literally means self-eating. It's one of your body's most important survival tools. This process allows your cells to identify, isolate, and break down damaged or old organelles, specialized structures inside cells like the nucleus or mitochondria, and protein clumps. These protein clumps can cause serious problems in diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It works like a quality control system, constantly removing cellular garbage to keep your cells healthy and working efficiently. Here's the thing, your cells don't run this cleanup process all the time. They only turn it on when they sense stress or need energy. This process follows a specific sequence. I've simplified the language not only to make it easier to follow, but because it was hard to pronounce some of the details. If you'd like a fuller, more scientifically rigorous description, I've included that in the transcript right at the end. It all starts when stress signals, like not having enough nutrients or needing more oxygen, activate special cleanup proteins inside the cell. The waste material gets surrounded by a protective membrane. Once everything is enclosed, the membrane seals shut. In the final stage, this sealed package breaks down into basic building blocks like amino acids and fatty acids. These pieces are then released back into the cell to be recycled or used for energy. It's incredibly efficient. Your cells are basically breaking down old, damaged parts to recover good materials so they can build new, working components without needing fresh supplies from outside. This process stays mostly inactive when you have plenty of food and nutrients. But when your cells face stress or run low on nutrients, it kicks in. The main triggers include the following. Fasting. The process starts around 12 to 16 hours of going without any caloric intake and becomes strongest after 36 hours or more. Your metabolism, your diet, and your physical efforts, for example, exercise or manual labor, all affect the timing. Another trigger is high-intensity exercise. Hard physical workouts create stress and low oxygen conditions that activate this process. Another trigger is a ketogenic diet. This is a low-carb, high-fat diet that mimics the fasting state. And the final trigger here, caloric restriction. Eating 20 to 40% fewer calories than normal also increases this activity. When this process doesn't work properly, serious problems can develop. Poor function is linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, as I mentioned earlier. Conversely, healthy autophagy protects your brain by clearing out those toxic protein clumps. Beyond the brain, it helps your immune system by finding and destroying harmful bacteria and viruses inside cells. At the whole body level, better function reduces chronic inflammation, speeds up muscle recovery, and refreshes your cells by replacing worn-out parts with new ones. Autophagy is a fundamental process your body needs for cell maintenance, energy management, and disease prevention. Here's the exciting part. You can actually boost this process through exercise and fasting. In the next 2 episodes, we'll explore how that works and discover why exercise might be your most powerful weapon for activating your body's cellular cleanup crew. That's it for today. Catch you next time.